Welcome back to my channel. This is Honda Accord 2010. We installed 9-inch Android navigation with octa-core CPU, 6 GB RAM, and also we installed a rear HD parking camera with wide angle. Okay, illumination of the buttons work. Steering wheel controls also. Changing stations, mode button also. Okay. Also, we installed TPMS sensors for the tire pressure and the temperature of the tires. And here is the 4G reader for the SIM card for the internet from 4G SIM card. Put the TPMS sensor USB. Then we need to connect sensors to the Android navigation. Okay. We need to install the application from the USB in the complete. Okay, go to file manager again, USB, install the application, settings, allow to install this application from unknown creator. Wait for the finishing of installation, click open. Okay, wait for the sensors, tire pressure. Okay, nice. We have the 4 sensors, pressure and temperature of each tire, and we can set notifications. Height pressure, wall pressure. Now it's set height pressure is for 3.15, wall pressure is 1.8, temperature it's in Celsius, and high temperature is 75 degrees. It's okay. Okay. We also have iGo Israel installed. Okay. Location is perfect. we have eight satellites in view. It's okay. Okay, this is factory control of the factory CD player and factory car radio and factory USB. We can play what we need from the factory, and the sound from the Android comes in the factory system through the aux. Okay, we have a big multi-band equalizer with a lot of frequencies. We can make it to be with more tweeters. Field is in the center. We have surround functions different. Okay, stereo enhancement, subwoofer, sound filter. Okay. Okay, the radio is from the factory unit. On the Android unit we don't have a radio antenna, but if you need Android radio tuner, we can install external antenna, but it's better to use the factory one. Okay, you also have CarLink. It's Apple CarPlay wirelessly. And phone function. When you connect your phone, you can download your contacts. Okay, that's it from us. If you have any questions, you can write a comment. I'll answer everybody. And if you need Android navigation for your car, you can contact us. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.